Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to report a problem with Candy Crush Saga. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to report some issues with the Candy Crush Saga game, then the most direct platform is to go ahead and reach out for the support page. From the main homepage of your Candy Crush Saga after you are logged into your account, tap the gear icon at the top right. Now, tap on the chat bubble located at the bottom left. This will take you to community.king.com website. From this page, tap on the support button. Now, select the Help Center option. Now here in this page, you'll be able to see all of the information regarding your problem, or if you want to report your problem right away, you can simply contact Candy Crush Saga by tapping on the Contact Us button. Select your preferred language from the drop-down and enter your email address that is associated with your account. Type in your full name on the next field and under Choose a Game, select Candy Crush Saga. Select your platform from the drop-down and choose a topic that best defines your problem. Inside the text box where it says tell us what you need, type in what you'd like to report about the platform in the text box, and finally tap on I'm not a robot and click submit. Now, once you submit your report, you'll be able to see that you'll need to check your email now and then to keep in touch with the support team, and you might be able to fix your issue once they contact you from their end. That is how you can easily report a problem in Candy Crush Saga if you are going through one. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.